Everybody, Aubrey trades with the morning recap, ending down about, I don't know, 50, 60, $70 or something. Had a good trade, had a whatever trade on PHIL. This was a breaking news play. Acquisition news. And so I didn't want to buy right at the open. That seemed too risky, so I waited for it to dip off the highs. Then I bought at 09 for the retest and then cut when it immediately didn't work, and I ended up getting bottom ticked on the sell, probably because I was too quick and I hit the flatten now button and I'm like, okay, and then it just sells at any price. So if there's going to be a pull, it's going to end up getting you out on, on the bottom. So definitely had chances to maybe get out at 107, 106. But anyway, it just wasn't working, and I was like, yeah, well, why risk, quote, why risk it? And then I don't know, I probably would have definitely freaked out if I held through. If I don't know, if it bottom ticked down to here, then do I sell? And then does it fill there, or would it bottom tick even more? Anyway, so I don't know. I can't be terribly mad. I mean, I sized in, pretty well. Yeah, I just think it didn't work. Things today just weren't that great. Of course, ELIS making new highs now at 20. Why have I traded anything other than ELIS? This is what I want to know. Why have I even bothered? Because this thing almost hit 25 cents. From, I don't know, the other day I was looking at this thing in the 15s. And so I bet it breaks 15 today. I was like, yeah, I don't know, man. I'm an idiot, right? But whatever. There's always going to be another chart out there, and I'll get better at playing them. The thing with ELIS, though, is it just doesn't move a whole lot, within a day. ELIS has been a great swing play if you're swinging, but as far as in and out within a couple minutes, nah. AXTG was another winner today, up about 42%. Breaking out of our line here that we marked as resistance earlier this morning. And we have a little wick here at 10. But from here on out, I mean, if this thing wants to continue moving, at this point it's a little overextended, but we might have a crack here, but yeah, pretty strong on this one. Let's see if I might take this dip, TBH. Okay. Oh, back underneath the support level. Ooh. Ooh. Maybe do 15,000 shares on a dip trade. We're going to see. Let's go to the other charts. OPAD didn't quite want to do the thing. I took a trade here around this level to see if it was going to continue. This is the afternoon red to green, still on watch, but I got stopped out. Small size, appropriate, $5 risk. So, followed the rules. We'll talk about the trade that I did catch, which was the leading gapper for the day. Top gainers, CRVS, which is no longer the leading gapper because it's HLBZ just decided it wanted to keep smacking shorts, putting in this nice range. This is 15, this is 19, right? Consolidating, breaking out to new highs in the 20s. This maybe this keeps going into the afternoon. I'm not going to touch it though. It's a little too much. CRVS, here's the trade I did. This was the dip and rip idea Worked out perfectly right into that 945 window, popping out over VWAP. Bought on the confirmation 373 average, so really close to VWAP. Sold into this pop at 401 is when I got it off. Missed the 412, but that's okay. And then this wicked down crazy in the next 1 minute, and that's why I'm being a little cautious. And that I put $20 risk on, so it worked. Man, I missed the bounce. Oh well. That's easy money right there if you catch the bounce. But look at this 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute candle, right? This dip is putting us closer to this moving average. Sometimes what we see is this flag, right? And this consolidation, and then once the candle is like touching, if it starts to go green and push up, that's when I'm like, okay, well. So it's not uncommon, especially on this candle. We were so far above the moving average line. It's like, okay, it's got to cool off, right? So this dip is expected, and it still looks pretty strong on the buys. Well, it did. What's the news on this anyway? NFT news. Babe Ruth. Oh, that's pretty cool. Huh. I'm surprised that didn't have more of a run. So yes, here we are, and it looks like it's waking up. It might wanna break that high a day. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here, or else I'm just gonna be tempted to trade. That was my day. So red on the day. I still have some ammo if anything wants to show itself this afternoon, but I need to keep in mind, like, this isn't about revenge trading. This isn't about ending the week green. It's probably going to be a red week for me, and that's not great, but yeah, revenge trading just doesn't end well. I don't want to amplify. Ooh, look at that massive sell. Did that even execute? I don't see it. Did it just flash there to scare people? Huh. That's so strange. Anyway, so that's it. If anything comes, then we'll take the trade and we'll take it for what it is. Kind of wish I sized in more to CRVS, but do what you can. So I hope you all fared better than I did. Stay safe out there. Spies at lows on the week. Look at this. Bam. It's getting real bloody out there. So stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. If you found value out of this, please hit the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below what other type of content you want to see out of this channel. Thanks again. I'm Aubrey. Take it easy.